Greetings! Following on from my last post about how to increase your chances of getting help on the Ember.js IRC channel, I made the case for using JSBin to allow people to quickly get up to speed with what your problem is. And also, in general, using JSBin to explore Ember.js without having to go through the whole process of setting up a project. Whether it's an Ember CLI project or anything else. And although JSBin is great, and you can register with JSBin and keep your bins saved, there's obviously not really any kind of strong form of version control. And sometimes you just don't want to have lots of external JS bins lying around. So the purpose of Ember Sketch is to give you a way to have that same easy setup, fire and forget, create a small Ember.js project that allows you to experiment with an idea or a concept, and if necessary, use Git or whatever to version the project, and also still allow you to share it in a way. So I'm going to show you how to use Ember Sketch. It's very simple. First, if you don't have it installed, you just say gem install Ember Sketch, and it will fetch it and install it. And to create a new Ember Sketch project, you just say Ember Sketch new, and now I have to think of a project name. Let's call it Direwolf. And now what it's doing is it's creating a simple directory structure to support a middleman project, doing a bundle install to get all of the dependencies. And if you look, now you can see I have a Direwolf directory. And if we look at the contents in here, you can see it's very simple. The main files that you would want to edit are the JavaScript partial or the templates partial. The templates partial contains the handlebars templates. So how would you run this? It's very simple. So you would say bundle exec middleman. And as you can see, that has started up the middleman server at this address and port number. So if we take that and pop it in here, there we go. It has loaded the example Ember application, which if we fire up the inspector, we can see is a legitimate Ember application, no fake. And this is all you need to be able to start messing around with Ember.js. If we edit the source partials JavaScript partial, we can see all I'm doing here is including jQuery, handlebars, Ember and Ember data, and then creating a very simple Ember application, initializing the adapter, creating a model, some fixture data, defining the router and the index route, and that's it. You can add whatever you want after this or modify this. And the same is true for the templates. Again, this is almost exactly what you would get in the Ember.js JSBin by default. So there you have it, Ember Sketch. Let me know what you think.